again, if it's false, you have to jump to the left, okay? If it's true, you have to jump to the right. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes.
Okay, each question has 10 minutes time, okay, for you to answer. Okay, I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to answer true or false or jump left or right, okay? Not 10 seconds, I mean, okay? Let's begin. Okay, here's the first question. Here's the first question, class. A polygon having equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. You have?
Teacher, here.
Okay, after the 10 seconds, you have to jump, okay? After the 10 seconds, you have to jump left or right, okay? Let me see. I can see. Okay, jump.
I jump, teacher.
Okay, the correct answer is it left or right? Okay, it's what? Left or right? True or false? False or right?
False.
False. Right.
Okay, let us see. The correct answer is?
False.
The correct answer is true, Fatima. You have to jump to the right. Okay, you have to jump to the right. So it's only Fatima, I guess, who jumped to the left. So you must jump to the right, okay? Because regular polygons, class, have equal sides and equal angles. Look at this polygon. Okay, look at these polygons. They are all regular polygons as they have equal sides and equal angles. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question.
A polygon with 6.
A polygon with 6 sides and 6 vertices is called pentagon. Let me wait for 0, okay, until you jump. 0, okay. Jump left or right?
Left.
Okay, it should be left, correct? Because this is what? 6 sides and 6 vertices. What do you call that shape?
It's hexagon.
Yes, it's false because it's hexagon. Correct. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Time starts now. A polygon with 8 sides and 8 vertices is called octagon. Left or right? Left or right?
Right.
Right. Right.
Yes, it's right. It's octagon, class. True. Okay. So a polygon with 8 sides and 8 vertices is called octagon. Okay. Let's go to the next question. So this is octagon. You remember octopus, class? Octopus has 8 tentacles. So it's from the word octa. Okay. Which means 8. Okay. Let's go to the next question. You have 10 seconds to answer. A polygon with 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles is called rectangle. Left or right?
Left. Left.
Left. That means it's false. Why do you think it's false?
Because it is square. Because all 4 equal sides and verticals, it's square.
Okay, that's correct. Okay. 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles is a square. It's not a rectangle. So the answer should be false. So you must jump to the left. Okay. Janan, kindly mute your microphone, please. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, next question. You have 10 seconds to answer. This shape is an irregular hexagon. Left or right? False or true? Good job, Alvarez. I can see you jumping very high. Okay, that is what?
True. Right.
Yes, you have to jump to the right. Okay, so this shape, class, is an irregular hexagon. Okay, it's a hexagon, but it's irregular because the sides and angles are not equal. Okay, so it's true. Thank you very much. That's all for our warm-up activity. You may now have your seats. Please sit down now. So I hope your body is now conditioned for our lesson for today.
What is this sound?
There is a sound. Okay, class. Wait. Everyone, please, can you please turn off your microphone? May I request everyone to please turn off your microphone? I'd like to request everyone to turn off your microphone, please. Still there's a sound.
Yes.
Okay, I think now it's gone.
No, teacher.
Okay, wait, class. Wait, let me just mute the microphone, please. So I'm gonna mute all of you, okay? Just unmute yourself if I'm gonna ask you a question, okay? I'm gonna mute all of you now. Right.
Now
so-
good. Now good.
Yes, now it's good. Right. So let's go now to our lesson. So I have a short story to tell you. I want you to listen and watch carefully, okay?
Okay, teacher.
What do you see in the picture?
A dog is swimming to the pool.
Yeah. So the lesson is, the story is about a dog, okay? So my thumb is training his pet dog how to swim. Do you have a pet dog at home?
No.
No?
But
I have a
love
cat.
teacher. I love.
You love dogs, right? Do you know that dogs are good swimmers? They can swim, no? And you can
Yes.
train them also to do other things,
Yes.
okay? So my thumb is training his pet dog how to swim. After a
Yes.
few days of training, his dog was able to swim around the swimming pool. Let us see. My thumb is wondering how far is the distance his dog was able to swim. Okay, so let's help my thumb find the total distance of the pool where his dog swim. And in order for us to find out the distance of the pool, we have to find the perimeter. And today, that is our lesson, okay? Our lesson is about perimeter, okay?
Okay.
And at the end of the lesson, class, at the end of the lesson, you must be able to calculate the perimeter of regular polygons and simple compound shapes. So let's go back to the problem. Before that, let's define first what is perimeter, okay? Again, let's have a look at the meaning of perimeter.
This is the perimeter. It's the shortest
Okay,
distance
perimeter is the shortest distance around the shape.
the
Okay?
shape.
So in other words, class, my thumb wants to find out the perimeter of the swimming pool. Okay, he wants to find out the total distance of the swimming pool where his pet dog swim. Okay, so perimeter is the shortest distance around the shape. Or if we walk along the sides of a shape, then the total distance traveled is its perimeter, okay? So let's have my thumb figure out the perimeter of the swimming pool.
Okay.
So now my thumb swam himself, okay, to find out the perimeter. Okay, class.
Teacher, ito
According,
42. I think it's 42 meters. Yes.
yeah, according to the video class, it says it's 42 meters. Okay, what did my thumb do to find out the perimeter? What operation did he use to find out the
12.
perimeter?
Teacher, 12 meter plus 9 meter, I think, and times 2.
Uh-huh. You can times, right? But in this video, in the video shown, what did my thumb do?
He
to
add
find the
all
perimeter?
the,
He added, okay, he
perimeter.
added. So addition, okay? He used addition or he added all the sides to find out the perimeter, okay? He added all the sides to find out the perimeter. So here we have 12 meters, 9 meters, 12 meters, and 9 meters. So if you're going to add them up, so the total will be 42 meters, okay? So the perimeter of the swimming pool is 42 meters. And what is the shape, class, of the swimming pool? What is the shape of the swimming pool?
Rectangle.
Okay, the shape of the swimming pool. Thank you very much, Jaffer. The shape of the swimming pool is rectangle, okay? So there are two ways on how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, class. The first one, as shown in the video, we can add all the sides, okay? So let's label the sides as A, B, C, D, okay? So the formula that we can use is P is equal to A plus B plus C plus D, okay? So A, let's say A is 12, is 9, B is 12, C is 9, and D is 12, okay? So add them all up. So we have 42 meters, okay? And there's another way, there's a shortcut, okay, on how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. We know, class, that the opposite sides of rectangle are equal, okay? That means, class, that this side, okay, this side, let me use a red one. Okay, this side is equal to this side, and this side is also equal to this side, okay? Opposite sides are equal. So what we can do is we can add the length and the width, and we can multiply it by 2 following this formula, class. P is equal to 2 times length plus width, okay? So our length is 12, okay? And our width is 9. So again, we have to solve first what's inside the bracket. Okay, 12 plus 9, we have 21. Multiplied it to 2, we've got 42. Okay, 42 meters. Okay, so these are the two ways on how we can find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, which is easier for you, class? Adding the first method or the second method?
The second method, because only add 12 plus 9 and times 2. No need to add.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly correct. Oh, but if you want to add, no problem. Okay, you can use the first method, or you can also use the second method. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now that you know how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, now let's find out how to find the perimeter of a regular polygon. Again, in the warm-up activity, we say that regular polygons have equal sides and equal angles, okay? So let's see how we can find out the perimeter of a regular polygon. Watch this video.
Eight.
Uh-huh.
8. The answer is 8.
Okay, let us see if your answer is correct.
It's
Let us see if your answer is correct.
Yes, 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. 4 times 2 also we can do.
Very good, class. So the perimeter, the shape of the swimming pool is a square, okay? A square is a regular polygon because all the sides are equal. So you
All
see
are
that we
true,
added
only
all the sides. We added all the sides in order to find the perimeter. But we can also multiply the sides, okay? We can also multiply the sides. So a square has 4 sides, and if each side has a measurement of 2 meters, then we can do 4 times 2, okay? 4 times 2 is equal to
4 times 2 is equal to 8.
Yeah, 4
8.
times 2 is equal to 8. So the answer is 8 meters. Class, do not forget to write the unit, okay? Do not forget to write the unit.
Yes.
If you answer 8, that will be
meters.
considered wrong, okay? You always need to put the unit, okay? So that is 8 meters, okay? Okay, so this is how we find the perimeter of a square. Again, we can add them all up. Side plus side plus side plus side. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is equal to 8 meters. Or we can also multiply it, okay? Count the number of side and multiply it to the measurement of each side, okay? Which is 2. So 4 times 2.
4 times 2,
Equal
8
to
also.
8 meters, okay? Let's have another example.
Yeah.
Can you help me find out the perimeter of this shape? What is this shape, class?
It's hexagon.
Hexagon?
No, pentagon.
Octagon.
Yes, it's octagon, guys. Very good. It's
8.
octagon.
80.
Yeah, it has
80.
8
The
sides.
answer, teacher. 80 centimeter. Because
Yes, 10
because
times
10
8
times
is
8
80.
equal 80 centimeter.
Very good. Let's have a
That's
look.
correct.
Why Gasal said it's 80. Okay, so this shape is
Because it's regular and there is 8 sides and 10 times 8 is 80 centimeter.
okay. Thank you, Jaffer. Okay, that's correct. So this is octagon. Octagon has 8 equal sides. Okay, again, we can use the formula P is equal to 8 times side. Okay, 8 is the number of sides of the polygon. So octagon has 8 sides, and the measurement of the side is 10 centimeter. Okay, so we can multiply 8 times 10. We've got what? 8 times 10 is equal to.
Or plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10
Yes, you
plus
can
10 plus
add
10.
you can add 10 8 times, or you can just simply multiply 8 by 10. Okay, so 8 times 10 we
Yeah.
have 80
8 times 10 is 80
centimeters.
centimeter.
Good job. Okay, let's go to the next example. Can you help me find out the perimeter of this polygon?
Yes, it's
Yes,
pentagon.
yes, it
8
is.
times 5, it's 40
5,
millimeters.
5, 8 times
40.
5 equal 40.
40 millimeters. Or we can also do 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 5
Yes,
times.
equal 40.
Thank
But
you,
the
Jaffer,
easiest
and thank you, Jaffer and Gasol. What about the rest? Why it's only Jaffer and Gasol only is answering? Anyway, later we're going to have an activity, okay? And I'm going to call each one of you, okay? So, right, this is a pentagon. Again, it's a regular polygon, okay? So we have to count first the number of sides. The number of sides is 5. So the formula that we can use is 5 times the measurement of each side, which is 8 millimeters, okay? So 5 times 8, we've got 40 millimeters.
40 millimeters.
We've got 40 millimeters, okay?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any question about how to find the perimeter of a rectangle and a regular polygon? Do you have any question?
No, it's so easy.
Okay, now let's do an activity.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, class.
Okay, take your time.
Okay, so we will do a dice game, okay? Each number in the dice, where I'm going to roll the dice, and each number in the dice has a corresponding question, okay? It has a corresponding question. All right. So I'm gonna call volunteers to answer. Give me 1 minute, class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, take your time, teacher.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. I'm just preparing the dice. You ready?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, always ready.
Okay. So I'm gonna roll the dice, okay?
Okay.
Do you see the dice on the right screen, right part of the
Yes.
screen?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna
it's
roll it
three.
again. Okay, I'm gonna roll it again.
It's
Okay,
two.
we have 2. Okay, so let's go to question number 2. Who wants to answer? Who wants to volunteer? Who wants to answer?
Me, teacher.
You can raise your hand if
Me.
you want to answer. Who wants to answer?
Me.
Hamza. Okay, Hamza raised his hand. Okay, Hamza, here's your question, Hamza. Hamza, here's your question. Find the perimeter of this polygon.
40.
Let us
40
see.
centimeter.
Very good. It's 40 centimeters. So you have one sticker for today, Hamza. One math wizard. Okay. Thank you very much, Hamza. That's correct. Okay, let's go on. Let's roll the dice again.
Me, teacher. Wait, I will raise my hand from here.
Okay, number 4. Who wants to answer?
I raise my hand from here.
Okay, Janan. Janan, okay, here's your question, Janan. So we've got 4, number 4. Let me check number 4, question number 4. Question number 4 for Janan. Okay, Janan, here's your question. What's the perimeter of this rectangle? Janan, turn on your mic. Janan, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Janan, tell me what's the perimeter.
11.
Is it 11? How do we find the perimeter of a rectangle? Remember that it has 4 sides, Janan. It has 4 sides.
22.
Is it 22? Okay, let us see if it's 22. Yeah, 22 what, Janan? 22 what? Janan, do not forget the unit. 22 meters, correct. Very good. Okay, let's go back. Let's roll the dice again. Who wants to answer the next question?
Me, teacher, please.
Me.
Alwarith? Alwarith, are you there?
Wait, I will keep it.
Alwarith, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let me roll the dice now. Okay, question number 3. This is for you, Alwarith. Question number 3. Question number 3. Let's have a look at it. Okay. Alwarith, find the perimeter of this shape.
Easy.
Are you calculating? You can use your whiteboard to calculate, okay?
Yes.
Let us see if what's your answer?
12.8.
What's the unit? Do not forget the unit.
12.8 centimeter.
Let us see if it's correct. Yes, very good. 12.8 centimeters. That's correct. Okay, let's go back. Let's have another one. Who wants to
Teacher,
answer?
see, I erase my hand.
Me, teacher, please.
Okay, Gazel. Okay, Gazel. Gazel, I'm gonna roll the dice once more. Okay, you have question number 6. You have question number 6, Gazel. This is for you, okay? Let's see what is question number 6. Gazel, find the perimeter of this polygon.
Okay.
6.5 times 13.
What's your answer, Gazel?
I add now all.
I do. It's easy.
Zero. 13.
13 what? I told you
13.
it's not
13 meters.
correct. It's 13 meters. Let's see. Yes,
Teacher, now
it's
me.
13
Now me,
meters.
please.
Excellent, excellent. Okay.
Now me, please.
Okay, we have to move on now with our next what's this? Next slide. Okay, we will have a game later. Don't worry, we're going to have a game later. Okay, let's move on now with our lesson. Okay, so now that you know how to find the perimeter of a rectangle and other regular polygons, okay, let's now figure out how to find out the perimeter of compound shapes, or sometimes compound shapes class is also called regular polygons, okay, a regular polygon. So let's first define what is a compound shape, okay? A compound shape class is made up of two or more basic shapes joined together, okay? So look at these pictures, or look at these diagrams, okay? So we have, this one is a compound shape, okay? Which is actually made up, it's made up of two rectangles that are joined together, okay? Another one. Here's another compound shape. It's actually made up of three rectangles that are joined together, okay? So again, compound shape is made up of two or more basic shapes where you put them together, okay? So to make a compound shape, okay? Now, how do we find the perimeter of a compound shape? This is a bit tricky, but I know you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, so let's have an example. Imagine this sofa, okay? I have here an L-shaped sofa or couch, okay?
Okay.
These are the measurements of the sides, okay? Again, it's the same as finding the perimeter of a rectangle or regular polygon. We just have to add all the sides, okay? We just need to add all the sides. So before that, you have to label first all the sides. So this is A. I'm gonna use letters to label the sides. B, side C, side D, side E, and side F, okay? So there's no missing.
Teacher, this is a square. I think it's all equal.
Okay, one part of the sofa is a square, yeah. Huh? So anybody who can tell me what is the perimeter of the sofa?
14.
14.
Can you guess?
14.
Any other answer? Do you have any other answer?
14. Yes,
14 what class? 14 what?
14 meter.
14 meter.
Okay, I told you
14 meters.
not consider answers that are only numbers. So you have to put the unit. It should be 14 meters. Okay, let us see. So the formula is add all the sides, A plus B plus D plus E plus F. Yes, it's 14 meters. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Okay, let's have another example. Let's find the perimeter of the following compound shape. Okay. So again, here's another compound shape. Okay. Like I've said, first you need to label all the sides so that you can find if there's any missing information from the given compound shape. Okay. So let's label all the sides. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. What do you notice, class? What do you notice? Is there a missing side? Missing measurement?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And B.
Okay, there's a missing measurement here. We have B and we have C, okay? So with this kind of problem, class, with this kind of problem, okay, the key here to find the perimeter is first, you need to find what you know. You need to find what you know in order to find out what you don't know, okay? So we know, class, that side A and side C
Teacher, this I can do.
are the opposite sides. Joffer, please listen, okay? Please listen. We know that side A and side C.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I have to erase this one. We know, class, that side A, okay, side A and side C, okay, are the opposite sides of side E. And side E needs to be equal to side A and side C, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's start with this one. Side A, side B, okay? Let's start with side B, okay? Let's figure out the measurement of side B, okay? Side B. Okay, we know that side B and side D are the opposite sides of side F. Okay, and side D, the total measurement of side B and side D should be equal to side F. Okay,
Yes.
so if side F is 6 centimeters and side D is 5 centimeters, we need to find the difference of side
one?
B and side B. Okay, so 6
difference
minus 5, it will be what? 6 minus 5?
Centimeter.
6 minus 5 is
Centimeter.
1.
Yeah, 1 centimeter. That's correct. That means that side B is 1 centimeter because 5 plus
Centimeter.
1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Again, I've told you, these are opposite sides, which if we're going to imagine a rectangle, okay, opposite sides are equal, okay? So 5 plus 1, we have 6 here. These two sides are 6 centimeters now, which is equal to this side, okay? Now, what about, now we know that side B is 1 centimeter. What about side A, okay? Side C. We know that side A and side C are the opposite sides of side A. They must be equal to each other. And in order for us to find out, the measurement of side C, we need to find the difference of E and A. Okay, we need. Jaffer wrote 5. That's correct. We have to minus. Okay, 9 minus 4. We've got 5.
5.
If we're going to add, yes, if we're going to add 4 and 5, we have
Because
9.
9 minus 4 is 5.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so now it's equal. Both sides are equal. Okay, 9 and 9 because this one is actually a rectangle. Okay, so now that all the sides have measurement, okay, we can now find the perimeter. We can now add all the sides. Okay, so who can tell me what's the perimeter of this shape?
30 centimeters. 30.
30.
Excellent. It's 30. Yes, it's 30 centimeters.
Yes.
Very good, Rahama. I heard Rahama. She answered first. Thank you, Rahama.
Teacher, no, me first.
It's you? Okay. It's 30 centimeters. All right. Now let's go to the next example. Okay. Okay, again, before we solve for the perimeter, we have to label all the sides, okay? And see if there is a missing information, okay? So what is missing here? What is missing?
What?
What letter?
F
and E.
That's correct. So the missing measurements are F and E, sides E and F, okay? So we need to find out first what's E and F. What's the measurement of E and F? Again, the key to find the answer. Yes?
F, I think it is this.
Okay, let us see. So you have to use what you know in order to find what you don't know. Okay?
32 plus 18.
Okay, so again,
32 plus 18 is equal to this. It's 58.
okay, Jaffer, please listen first, okay? Okay, so we have here side A and side C are the opposite sides of side E, okay? So in order for us to find out the missing measurement, we have to add side A and side C, okay? Side A and side C, we have 10, okay? 24 plus 10, we've got 34, okay? So this side here now is equal to this side, okay? Now, what about side F? So Jaffer said it's 50. Let's see if his answer is correct, okay?
Maybe it's wrong.
So and D are the opposite sides of F. Okay, so the
Yes.
total of B and D can make up the F. We need to add
Yes.
32 and 18 to find
Plus
F.
18.
Okay, there you go. So 32 plus 18, we've got, yes, it's 15 meters. So Jaffer is correct. Very good. Okay, so now let's find the perimeter of this shape. Who can tell me the perimeter of this shape?
165 meters.
Any other answer?
168.
Any other answer?
168.
168.
Okay, Rahama said 165. Gazel said 168. Okay, let us see. Janan also said 168. Let us see if it's
Teacher, wait, I am adding.
Teacher, and yeah, I say 168.
Huh?
Me, I say 168.
Okay, Maria, 168. Okay, let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, the answer is 168 meters.
Yes,
Rahama,
168.
168 meters, okay? I think you missed one number here. It's 168 meters. Okay. Do you have any question, class, on how to find the perimeter of compound shape? Do you have any question? You sure?
No, it's so easy. Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay, now I'll be needing your whiteboards.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be needing your whiteboard. Please get your whiteboards and marker.
Okay, teacher.
Everyone,
Now
please
we'll
get
go
your
to bring-
whiteboards and marker. Okay, I'm gonna call someone to write on the screen, and while your classmate is answering on the screen, I want you all, the rest should answer in the whiteboard, using the whiteboard, okay? Understand? Hello? You understand, class?
Yes.
Who wants to answer the first question? Who wants to write on the screen? Who wants to write on the screen? Anyone? Any volunteer?
I bring the marker, teacher.
Okay, Rahama, you can write on the screen now. Okay, and the rest, please answer on your whiteboards. I will check your answers later, okay? I'm gonna check your answers one by one later, okay? Rahama, you can write now on the screen while your classmates are answering in the whiteboards. Rahama, you can write now. We're waiting. You can write, Rahama. Rahama, are you there?
Hey,
Rahama, are you there?
I get it, teacher. I get it.
Let's
Now
wait.
I will add this all.
Okay. Don't show your answer now, okay? Don't show your answer now until Rahama is finished. Rahama, please write on the screen. Write your calculation on the screen. Okay. Okay. Good job, Rahama. Again, you have to find if there are missing measurements, okay? You need to find out if there are missing measurements before you calculate. Yes. Quickly, Rahama.
Finish, teacher.
Don't show your answers now, okay? Don't show your answers now until
Okay.
Rahama's over. Is it correct?
Finish, teacher. Wrong. I don't
Wrong.
have our answer.
Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, class. Look at the shape, okay? Look at the shape, class, okay? So Rahama said that this side is equal to 8 centimeters.
That is correct because 11 minus
correct.
3, it's 8.
Yes, that's correct. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, but what about this side, Rahama? This side. Okay.
Teacher, I forget.
Add the dot.
Yeah, you forgot. Yeah, you forgot to find the measurement of this side. Okay, what is the measurement of this side?
2 centimeter.
2 centimeters.
Yes, because 7 minus 5, that's 2.
Is
So
2.
6 centimeters, okay? Now let's add them all up. Okay, I want to see
36
your answers.
centimeter.
Wait,
36.
show me your answers, please. Show me your whiteboards. Show me your whiteboards. Okay, 36. Alwar, 36. Janan, 36. Maria, 36. Show me your whiteboards. Jaffer, 36. Gasal, 36. Correct. What about you, Ilyas? Ibtihal. Okay, so you will get a point, okay, today. So this was your point yesterday.
Teacher,
Today.
I am counting about my stickers. I do a circle
Yesterday,
when
this was your sticker yesterday, okay? Now today is 19th, okay? So Hamza got one answer, Janan
and
correct,
me, teacher, yesterday you do.
Maisa
Yesterday
correct,
you do for me.
Areen, I think Areen left, Rahama correct. Rahama is wrong.
Teacher, yesterday you give me a point.
Yeah, Fatima 1, Ilyas, I didn't see your answer. Gazal 1, Alwarith 1, okay? Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question, class.
Did you see my answer?
Yeah, I saw it. It's correct. Okay, who wants to volunteer to solve this? Who wants to volunteer to solve this question?
Me.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to solve this on the screen?
Me, teacher, please.
Okay, go ahead, Jaffer, please.
14. I will do only the calculator and calculation the board.
Write directly on the screen, Jaffer.
Okay, teacher.
And
This-
the rest you must answer in your whiteboards, okay? Please answer in your whiteboards.
Teacher, I will do text. I will do a text.
Okay, better to use the text.
Yes. 20.
Do not forget the unit. Okay, good job.
And here. Wait. 7, 9. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 equals 16. And the answer is,
Okay, you have to add them all up.
yes, 20 plus 16 is 36. 36 plus 6. 20, wait. 20 plus 16.
Teacher,
36,
Quickly, Jaffer.
teacher, see.
36
Hamza,
plus
don't show your answer
is-
now. Don't show your answer
is
now.
42.
Show your answer now.
42 plus 9 is 51. 51
Teacher,
plus
finish.
Okay, don't show your answer until I say so.
teacher. Wait.
Do not show your answer until I say so.
Correct? Yes,
Okay, let's see if Jaffer's answer is right. Is it 72 centimeters, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Can
yes,
you
teacher,
show me
yes.
your whiteboards, please? Show me your whiteboards. Oh, Maria's answer is 72. Hamza 72. Alwarit 72. Yes, Gasel 72. Janan, what's your answer? 72, correct? Rahama, Ilyas, Ibtihal, you don't have answers? Or still calculating? You're still calculating? Yes, Janan, I got it. Okay, 72. Okay, you got another point, okay? So let's go to
Also
the
me,
third
yes.
question. Let's go
Also
to the
me,
third.
yes, teacher.
Yeah?
Also me, I get this.
Yeah. Your answer is correct. Okay, let's go to the last question, class. Who wants to volunteer?
Me, teacher.
Okay,
Me,
Gaza.
teacher, me.
Right. Okay,
I
Gaza,
will
can you
calculate
please
here.
answer this one?
Teacher, the screen tabs black.
Your screen is black.
No,
Okay, let me share it one more
It's good.
time.
It's good, teacher. It's
Let me
good.
share it one more time. Okay. Is it now okay, Alwaris?
Yes.
Okay,
now
good.
Clear.
Okay, Gaza, can you please write on the screen? Gaza, how did you know it's 5? How did you know it's
Because this is equal to
Because
this.
this side is equal to this side.
excellent? Very good, very good. Okay.
Teacher, finish.
Opposite sides
Finish.
are equal, no?
Teacher, I
Okay,
finished.
do not show your answer. Do not show your
I'll
answer.
send you for.
Quiet, quiet, Hamza, please.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Finish.
The same answer.
2 centimeter.
Is it 52?
Yes. 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 Teacher.
Right, correct. It's 52 centimeters. Very good. Okay, let me see your answers. Let me see.
Teacher, this not clear.
Okay, very good, children. Good job. Okay. Correct. Okay. Let's
I get
go.
all correct.
Teacher, today we will play
Yes, we will play at the end. Okay.
Good.
Okay, class.
quizzes or Kahoot or blockade.
We will do Bluket. Okay. Do you have any question, class, on how to find the perimeter of compound shapes? Any question?
No, it's very easy.
No.
Only it
Easy.
needs to think. Only
Okay.
it needs to think.
So why do you think, class, perimeter is important? Why do you think it's important to know how to find the perimeter?
Because teacher, because sometimes when I want when I want to be big, I want to be an engineer, and somebody tell me I want the width of the room. It's square. And he tell me I want the width of the room 4, and he don't give me the length, and he don't give me the length.
So it's
And that
basically
I will think that teacher Marcia tell me times 4 if it's square. I will times 4.
Good job, Jaffer. Okay, what else? Why do you think perimeter is important? Why do you think perimeter is important?
Because
Why do you think perimeter is important, class?
Because also
Alwarit, why do you think perimeter is important? Aside from
teacher,
that,
I forget.
huh?
I remember.
Gasol, why do you think perimeter is important? Or anybody who can tell me why is it important to know
to calculate
how
teacher
to find out the
that
perimeter?
means if I have the width and
I
don't
think
have
to know
the
the
length,
calculation of the shape.
or I don't know the length of the pool, same like this, or a room or a home, I will know from the perimeter.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so these are some of the practical uses of perimeter. Okay, first one, if you want to put a fence around a yard,
Yes.
okay, of course you need to know what is the perimeter of the yard, okay, in order to calculate all the materials that you need to construct a fence, okay? Another one is when you want to decorate the house, using a wallpaper border. Look at this one, class, okay? This is a border.
Yeah.
Okay? So if you want to know the measurement, okay, if you want to know the measurement of the house, okay,
Yes.
I mean the border that you're going to use, you need to measure first the perimeter of the place in your house. If it's a kitchen, living area, okay. So another practical use of perimeter, class, in our daily life is construction of buildings. So Jaffer was telling a while ago that if he becomes an engineer, okay, and someone calls him, okay, to measure his house, okay? So he's going to measure the perimeter. Yes, excellent. Yes. In construction of buildings, houses, okay, or planning.
Teacher means teacher means
Yeah.
he give me this room
Mhm.
and he tell me this is the wood
Yeah, yeah.
and
Yes, correct.
and he tell me to check that the length.
Okay, thank you,
and
Jaffer.
it's
Okay, so
where I
basically you
live.
can use your knowledge in calculating the perimeter for construction or planning of buildings. Okay, so these are the practical usage of perimeter. That's why it's important. Okay, we can use it in our daily lives. Okay, so now class, we're going to have a game. Okay, we're going to have a game. I'm gonna be sending a link in the chat box. I want everyone to, if you have another device, if you have another
We'll
device,
use another
you can,
device.
if you have another device with you, I'll be teaching
teacher.
you on how
Teacher, I am going to bring and return.
Okay, please. If you're going to use
Teacher.
the same device, I will be sending the link in the chat box. Okay.
I will use the same device.
Okay, you will use the same
Also,
device. Okay, if you will use the same
I
device,
think teacher, I will use it.
okay, if you're gonna use the same device, the link is in the chat box. I will be sending it now. Okay. Then, okay, class, link sent. Yeah, it's sent already. So if you have another device, if you have another phone, here's what you're going to do. Go to Google. If you have another phone, go to Google. I request you to go to Google if you have another phone. If you have another phone, class, you have to go to Google. Type this one, play Bluecat, okay? Play Bluecat. Bluecat. The name of the game is called Bluecat, okay? If you have another phone, you can join with another device. Just go to Safari. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, go to Safari. If you're using Google, go to Google and type Bluecat, okay?
Teacher, the game paint.
Yes, and then when you are there, you have to click this one, play Bluecat, and you will be redirected to this page. You will be redirected to this page, okay? You will be asked for game ID, okay?
What is the game? I will try in my phone and I will show you. I will come to Zoom.
Okay, so let me give you
like
now the
this.
game ID. Here's the game ID, class. Okay, we will use, what do you want?
Let's
just do the classic, okay? Let's do the classic mode. Yeah, the classic mode, okay.
Teacher, the game paint.
Okay, the game ID is 634371.
63437.
With my real name, yes?
Yes, please write your names.
Teacher, 63?
634371. Others can join also. Others who are in the meeting, you can also join and experience the game. So just go to the chat box, click my message, click the link that I sent in the chat, and type in the game ID. So I have here 7 players now. Again, you can go to chat, click the link, and enter this game ID, 634371. The game ID is 634371. Or you can go to Bluecat, type play Bluecat. everybody here?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna start the game now in 3, 2, 1.
Teacher, remove this black. Remove this black thing. Find the perimeter of what square with.
So you have 30 seconds here to answer, okay?
Rectangle.
Find the perimeter of a square side measure 7 centimeters. Right. The correct answer is 28 centimeters. Okay, let's see.
Teacher, me the second.
Wait, let us see. Okay, it's Gasal. Okay, next question.
And the perimeter of which length is 9.5.
Find the perimeter of a tablet. Okay, which length? This is as a tablet, okay? Of a tablet.
Oh, I get. I thought teacher meter.
You can use your whiteboard to solve, okay? Whiteboard to solve. You have actually, I put here 90 seconds, okay? Because you need time to calculate that. 15 seconds left. Okay, the correct answer is 32 centimeters.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's see.
No, teacher, me the fourth.
Let's see who's leading.
Me, which?
Oh, it's Gasa followed by Miss Hanan. Okay, let's go
Teacher,
to the
where?
third question. Let's go to the third question.
Aside hexagon shape.
A side of a hexagon-shaped block has a measurement of 14 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the block? Quickly, class. You have 40 seconds left.
Only 3 and
10 seconds left.
only one he don't know.
What's the correct answer? The answer is
84.
84 centimeters. Let's see who's leading.
Please.
It's Gaza, followed by Miss Hanan. Okay, let's go to the fourth question. 2 questions left, okay? 2 questions left. Find the perimeter of the compound shape in the picture. You have 90 seconds to answer.
There's so many technical.
I will see the maybe I am wrong.
There this. Wait, 10 plus 8, 18, 18.
Find the missing measurements first, okay? This is a compound shape. And there are missing measurements that you need to figure out first before calculating. 30 seconds left.
39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 50.
No,
techniques. How many times this?
10 seconds. Click your answer now.
I
Click
thought
your
mine
answer now.
correct.
And the correct answer is 58 meters. Okay.
Teacher, I add everything, but I forget to add one thing only.
Miss Hanan is now on the lead. Okay, let's have the last question. Let's have the last question. You need to be fast, also fast. Find the perimeter of the compound shape shown in the picture. Again, you need to figure out first the measurement of the missing sides, okay?
Maybe Miss Hanan will win.
You have to beat her this time. You have to beat her.
No, I am sure she will win.
So this game class is in this game. Right, the correct answer is 52 centimeters. Let's find out who is the winner. Everybody go back to Zoom now. Hamza's
Miss Hanan.
Yes, so the winner is Miss Hanan. Congratulations, okay? Nice. Did you enjoy the game, class?
Yes.
All right, that's it for today, class. Okay, so I'm going to give you a task assignment. Okay, you have to go to Educal. Okay, Educal and go to daily assignment. Okay, and please find. You have to find grade 6 perimeter. Okay, so you have to. Work on
Only
that.
have one wrong. Teacher,
Huh?
only have one wrong.
You have one wrong.
Yes, only one wrong. I bring all correct, only one wrong.
Okay, so you have to go to Educal class, okay, and look
I
for
see it, teacher.
perimeter, okay? You need to answer the task
Now,
that I put in
teacher.
Educal, okay? This one class, Math 6 perimeter. Do you see this? Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Do you see the screen? Okay, look for this, okay? Math 6 perimeter. You have to work on that.
Now I will go to the daily assessment. Yes, it's here. Yes,
Assignment.
it's here. Yes, it's here.
Okay, so thank you very much, class, for today. Thank you all.
Welcome, Miss Marshu.
And have a nice day. Thank you very much. Goodbye, class. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.
Love you. Mi-
I love
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
My God, when I will bring it.